Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we were discussing the topic that was from the first unit. Okay, so in which we have discussed about the animals those are in danger. Okay, so that was one of the as the first unit is related to the natural world, so in this topic we will discuss about the various things that are related to our nature only. Okay, that are made man that is not that are made by the nature, the mother nature only. Okay, so here I'm starting with the next topic for the same unit, that is unit number 1. The next topic is miracles of nature. Okay, so that you can see that I have already opened the here. So this is page number 36, that is miracles of nature. Okay, so now here that in this topic, as you can see here, so you can see here various plants are given. Okay, plants, the pictures of various plants and trees are given. So definitely we are going to talk about these plants or the trees, their characteristics, their utility. Okay, and moreover, okay, so here first of all I'll start with the heading. So heading that is given here is, besides providing us food and raw materials, some plants also have medicinal properties. Read about some such plants here. Okay, so here we will talk about some of the plants, those which are having the great medicinal properties. Medicinal properties, so what is the meaning of this? Medicinal properties का मतलब होता है बेटा ऐसे plants जिनको हम as a medicine भी use करते हैं for curing certain diseases. Okay, the plants that are being used as a medicine for curing certain diseases are known as medicinal plants. Okay, so here we will talk about some of the top various. Okay, and you know most of them, so most of the medicinal plants that we are going to talk about, they are commonly found in our country. So you know India is a rich in culture, the land of is very fertile. So जितने जितने spices, जितने ayurvedic plants, okay, so you can फाइंड मोस्ट ऑफ द आयुर्वेदिक प्लांट्स इन योर, मतलब ऐसे आयुर्वेद देखो, ये तो आयुर्वेद है एंड दैट इज़ द ओरिजिन ऑफ इंडिया. क्योंकि जो आयुर्वेद का जो ओरिजिन हुआ था बेटा वो हमारी ही कंट्री से हुआ था. नाउ इट इज़ बीइंग पॉपुलर वर्ल्ड वाइड, आजकल वो पूरी दुनिया में फैला हुआ है. बट द स्टार्टिंग द इनिशियल ऑफ दिस आयुर्वेदा वॉज फ्रॉम द इंडिया ओनली. ओके, so here we will talk about the first plant, that is aloe vera. That is aloe vera. So aloe vera is believed to help people stay young. It has a positive effect on skin. The juice of this plant is used for making cosmetics and the medicines for treating burns. Aloe vera contains over 20 minerals which are essential for the human body. Okay, so the first plant that we'll talk about this is aloe vera. तो देखिए aloe vera you must have seen your houses, so most of you must be having aloe vera plant in your houses. देखिए aloe vera का कोई tree नहीं होता, so aloe vera is a plant. Okay, and this is quite very यूज़फुल. ओके, सो इट हैज़ अ ग्रेट मेडिसिनल प्रॉपर्टी. देखिए तो एलोवेरा इज़ बिलीव टू हेल्प पीपल स्टे यंग. तो एलोवेरा हेल्प करता है लोगों को यंग रहने में. अब ये नहीं कि आप यू हैव प्लांटेड दिस एलोवेरा इन हाउस एंड यू ऑल विल बी यंग फॉर लाइफ टाइम. नो, so that means if any plant is having some or the other kind of medicinal property, so that means that plant is going to be utilized. If you are going to utilize this plant in your daily diet, or you are including that plant, or you are using some parts of in your daily diet, only then that particular medicinal plants can help you. That means aloe vera को आपको अपनी डाइट में इंक्लूड करेंगे, then you will remain, you can have the best effects of its. Okay, द फर्स्ट इज़ एलोवेरा इज़ बिलीव टू हेल्प पीपल टू स्टे यंग. तो ये एलोवेरा हेल्प करता है लोगों को यंग रहने में, जवान रहने में. हाउ? ओके, सो दिस एलोवेरा दैट वी आर यूजिंग इन आर दैट वी हैव प्लांटेड इन आर हाउसेस, Okay, so some people they consume this aloe vera. कुछ लोग इस एलोवेरा को कंज्यूम करते हैं मतलब खाते हैं. They eat the gel of this aloe vera plant. Okay, तो मतलब especially to the diabetic patients, the doctor recommend them to eat the gel. So gel ये नहीं कि direct plant ही खा लिया. So first of all they peel off this green layer. Okay, as you peel off this green layer on that is of the aloe vera plant, so some जेल विल कम आउट ऑफ इट. तो उसमें से एक आपको वाइट कलर का जेल दिखेगा, ट्रांसपेरेंट सा जेल नजर आएगा. एंड दैट इज बीइंग कंज्यूम्ड बाय स्पेशली द डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स. सो दिस इज वर्किंग एज अ मेडिसिन फॉर देम. ओके, तो इसके अलावा एलोवेरा ऑल्सो पीपल दे यूज दिस एलोवेरा for applying it on their skin. Okay, suppose you are having lots of spots, or you are having some kind of a skin issue, you are having itching problem or some any other problem, so you can apply this aloe vera on your faces or the any part of your skin in the body, and you will in some odd days you will find that there will the तो उसमें आपको एक चेंज नज़र आएगा कि मतलब हाँ उससे इफ़ेक्ट होना शुरू हो गया. देखिए जो आयुर्वेद है इट हैज़ अ ग्रेट इफ़ेक्ट बट इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. जैसे हम एलोपैथी की मेडिसिन खाते हैं, जो आजकल हम जो छोटी छोटी मेडिसिन जो हम खाते हैं, ठीक है, तो उसमें क्या होता है उसको हम खाते हैं. सपोज यू आर हैविंग द हेडेक, आपने द मेडिसिन खाई और मुश्किल से आधे घंटे में यू विल बी फ्री फ्रॉम योर हेडेक. बट जो आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन होती हैं, जो इनका इफ़ेक्ट है वो बहुत धीरे धीरे होता है, बट वो किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को, जिस भी प्रॉब्लम के लिए कोई भी आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन खाई जाए उसको जड़ से निकाल देती है. एलोपैथी तो जब तक आपने दवाई खाई ठीक है, ठीक हो गया तुरंत, ओके, दैट इज़ ओके. बट दिस आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन व्हाट दे डू, दे जस्ट मतलब वो आपके उनके बाय रूट्स प्रॉब्लम्स को आपके यहाँ से जड़ से उसको ख़त्म कर देती है. Okay, so another is it has a positive effect on skin. So as I have told you that when you apply this aloe vera on your face, you will be having a positive effect on your skin will glow. The juice of this plant is used for making cosmetics and medicines for treating burns. Okay, जो इस plant का juice है, okay, वो cosmetics बनाने के लिए, और जो burns mean जलन, जो कि आपकी बॉडी के ऊपर आपको अगर प्रॉब्लम है, सो इफ़ यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम द एनी बर्न, सो यू कैन अप्लाई एलोवेरा vera on that part of your body and you will came to know that that has a great effect on that burnt part of your body. तो सपोज कहीं हाथ जल जाता है, कभी चाय गिर गई, किसी भी रीज़न से, if you are suffering from any kind of burn on any part of your body, so you can apply the aloe vera gel on it and you will feel like, तो आपको ठंडक महसूस होगी, you will feel relief from that burn. Aloe vera contains over 20 minerals which are essential for the human body. So this aloe vera plant, it contains about 20 minerals in it. इस aloe vera plant के अंदर आपको near about 20 minerals मिलेंगे, जो कि हमारी human body के लिए that is quite very essential, जो बहुत ही ज़रूरत है. Okay, और बहुत ही they are having a great effect, positive effect actually on our body. So this is aloe vera. So I hope that now you all are going to plant, if you are not having the aloe veras in your houses, so definitely you all are going to plant aloe vera, and you can have a great result of it by including it in your by using this great medicinal plant for your skin problems, for some other problem like the skin or the burns issue. Okay, so this is aloe vera. Okay, now moving next to the second plant, that is Indian ginseng. That is known as ashwagandha. So you must have heard about this ashwagandha, especially in the products of Patanjali. So what is this? Let's heard about it. Let's read about it. Indian ginseng or the ashwagandha is a herb used for treating nervous disorder, intestinal infections and the leprosy. All the parts of the plant, including the roots, bark, leaves, fruits and seeds, are used for medicinal purposes. This herb is grown in India, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and the Bangladesh. So now we are talking about another very great Ayurvedic plant, that is ashwagandha. And the other name of ashwagandha is Indian ginseng. The other name of this is Indian ginseng. So this Indian ginseng. Okay, तो देखिए that is the ashwagandha is a herb used for treating the nervous disorders. So this ashwagandha plant, okay, so it has a special medicinal property for the nervous disorder. Okay, so if someone is suffering from any problem of nervous disorder, so they can have a great, so they can have a you can what we call, मतलब उससे उनकी वो बीमारी को कुछ हद तक, so they will feel little bit of relief by use including this ashwagandha in your diet. Okay, so this ashwagandha also treats the intestinal infections and the leprosy. So if someone is having the intestinal infection, so हमारी intestine जिसको हम आंतड़ियाँ बोलते हैं, okay, so if someone is suffering from some any kind of intestinal problem, so they can also have relief from by utilizing, by consuming this Indian ginseng or ashwagandha in their diet. Okay, and along with the intestinal infection and the nervous disorder, they can have relief from the leprosy disease as well. So leprosy is a disease in which the person who is suffering, they have a loose skin, उनकी जो skin है वो loose हो जाती है, उनकी मतलब झूल जाती है, so that is known as leprosy disease. Next is all the parts of the plants including the roots, bark, leaves, fruits, seeds are used for medicinal purposes. Okay, so इस plant के सारे parts, okay, so every part of this plant are used, okay, for medicinal purpose. तो इस plant का हर एक part, चाहे वो उसके plant के roots हो, उसकी जड़ हो, bark that means तना जो ऊपर होता है वो, leaves पत्ते, fruits फल, and seeds बीज. Every each and every part of this plant has a great medicinal property, so which is being used for curing the various diseases. Okay, so that means the every part of this plant is being used for making the medicines बनाने के लिए use किया जाता है. Next is this herb is grown in India, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and the Bangladesh. Okay, and you can find these herb, okay, especially in the various neighboring countries and in our country as well. तो ये ज़्यादातर एशियन कंट्रीज़ में पाई जाती है. Okay, that is India, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and the Bangladesh. So near about all the neighboring countries of India, you can find this plant with a great medicinal property, and the name is ashwagandha. Okay, so you must have heard, जैसे Patanjali is in a consumer good that is associated with the Ayurved कहते हैं. ओके, तो आपने देखा होगा जितनी भी जो एड्स आती हैं, वेदर इट इज़ ऑफ अ हेयर प्रोडक्ट हो और वेदर इट्स ऑफ जैसे हमने कंजम्पशन वाले को, मतलब लाइक दिस च्यवनप्राश और सम अदर, मतलब समथिंग लाइक दिस, so immunity booster, so they all contain, so it is being sent during the advertisement that it all contains some contents of ashwagandha, because this is one of the great product that is being utilized so for curing the various diseases. This is ashwagandha. चलिए, moving next to the third one, a very beautiful, or not beautiful, a very a plant with a tree with a great fragrance, that is sandalwood. सैंडलवुड को हम क्या बोलते हैं, चंदन भी बोलते हैं. ओके, चंदन की लकड़ी जो होती है, दैट इज सैंडलवुड. So let's read about the sandalwood. Sandalwood chandan is believed to have many medicinal properties. It is commonly used to cure various skin disorders, treat patients with jaundice and soothe burning sensations. Okay, so the now we are talking about one of the very great tree, that is chandan or the sandalwood. Okay, and it is believed that this sandalwood has a great medicinal property. तो ये चंदन की जो लकड़ी है, इसकी बहुत सारी मेडिसिनल प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं. ओके, it is commonly used to cure various skin disorder. Okay, as this is also one of the medicinal plant, so it cures the problems that are related to the diseases. Okay, so that are related to the skin disease. Okay, and treat patients with jaundice and soothe burning sensation. Okay, so that this sandalwood is also being used, okay, as Ayurved. Okay, तो इसको यूज़ किया जाता है for the person who is suffering from jaundice. Jaundice जिसको हम बोलते हैं पीलिया. ओके, अगर किसी को जॉन्डिस हुआ है, सो दे यूज दिस, आई डोंट नो हाउ दे यूज दिस, बट दे यूज, आई हैव हर्ड इट अबाउट एज heard it as well, कि they use this sandalwood paste, okay, for treating the patients those who are suffering from jaundice. Along with that, these sandalwood is also being used for providing for soothing the burning sensations. अगर किसी को जलन हो रही है, okay, some जलन like not the jealousy वाली जलन, जलन मीन्स कहते हैं ना गर्म, गर्मी के कारण या किसी भी सपोज आपको कोई सपोज यू आर हैविंग सम लाइक के लोगों को होता है कि उनको सिर हमेशा गर्म रहता है, ठीक है, तो दे ऑलवेज फील सम इरिटेशन ड्यू टू दैट. Okay, so for providing this this sandalwood, it has a very cool, इसका it has a great cooling effect. ये बहुत ही ठंडी होती है. Okay, so this also provides what we call it, कि हम ये this also provides relief from any kind of burning sensations. तो burning sensation से भी this also provides some of the relief. Okay, so you must have seen in the okay, so you have seen the people, they just apply a chandan on their forehead. तो मोस्टली आपने मंदिर वगैरह में देखा होगा तो वो इतना सारा चंदन लगा देते हैं आपको. तो हम we feel that they it has some religious value, but the actual story behind it is that this chandan is being applied on the complete forehead for having some, मतलब कि दिमाग ठंडा रखने के लिए लोग लगाते हैं कि मतलब जस्ट कीप यू टू कीप देयर माइंड कूल. सो पीपल अप्लाई चंदन ऑन देयर फोरहेड टू कीप देयर फोरहेड कूल, ताकि वो ठंडक बनी रहे उनके अंदर. सो अगर आप अब देखिए, आप सपोज अगर आप कभी छोटा सिंपल सा भी चंदन का टीका लगाते हो, सो यू विल वहाँ जहाँ जहाँ आपने वो टीका लगाया होगा चंदन का, तो ये आपको बहुत ही ठंडक सी महसूस होगी. Okay, you yourself you will feel little bit of coolness in that. Okay, so this is chandan or the sandalwood that has a great medicinal property, and it has and this chandan or this sandalwood is being utilized for curing various skin disorders. Okay, and along with that, it is also used. This chandan or sandalwood is also being used for curing the problems that are related to the uh, patients that are suffering from the jaundice, and for providing or for soothing the burning sensation. So किसी भी तरह की जलन जो ये बॉडी पार्ट्स में होती है, so it also provides soothing means ठंडक पहुंचाता है for that, for against that burning sensation if someone is suffering from. So this is sandalwood or chandan. Next is Indian gooseberry. So now we are talking about the Indian gooseberry. So Indian gooseberry amla is a rich source of vitamin C. It eases hyperacidity and is used as a natural laxative. It also helps to get rid of cough and cold. So now we are talking about one of the another very great plant that has a great medicinal property, that is amla, or you can say it as an Indian gooseberry. ओके, सो आंवला जो आपने देखा होगा, आंवला या आंवला बोलते हैं, हिंदी में उसको आंवला लिखते हैं, बट इट इज़ आंवला और आंवला. ओके, सो वी this and the other name of this amla is that is Indian gooseberry. So the other name of the amla is that is Indian gooseberry. So you know there is a great this amla has a great is a great source of vitamin C. So you can find the great sources or the great quantity so much amount of vitamin C in this amla. Okay, and along with that, this amla has a great medicinal property. So it is used for curing the various problems related to the skin, related to the stomach, and as well as to the hairs. तो ये बहुत सारे हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स के अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम्स को ट्रीट करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. ओके, सो यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड कि अगर आंवला का मुरब्बा हम खाते हैं ड्यूरिंग द समर्स, सो ये समर्स में अगर हम आंवले का मुरब्बा खाते हैं या आंवला खाते हैं, so उसके बाद you just have a great have a one glass of water. Okay, after eating आंवला you can have a one glass of water, and आपको उसके बाद you will feel a great cooling और great मतलब आपको अपने पेट में एकदम ठंडक सी महसूस होगी. So this is due to the amla only. Okay, so it has a great cooling effect. Other than that, if someone okay is suffering from acidity problems, if someone is suffering, okay, so they must include this amla in the daily diet. Okay, along with that, there आंवले का चूरन भी खाते हैं, आंवले की गोलियां भी खाते हैं, छोटी छोटी होती हैं. Okay, and that is for curing the hyperacidity problem. So for the problems related to the stomach, okay, so from the problems related to the stomach, this amla is also being used. Okay, other than that, if someone is like the problems of gray hairs, another problem that is we can be treated through this amla is that gray hairs, जिनको आप बोलते हैं सफ़ेद बाल. ओके, अगर किसी के बाल हैं जो उम्र से पहले, एज से पहले सफ़ेद हो रहे हैं, so what they do, they must wash their hands using this amla, okay, on the weekly basis. And soon after that, after the some number of washes, you will find that your gray hairs, your hairs that are getting gray, that will stop. तो आपके बाल जो ग्रे हो रहे हैं वो रुक जाएंगे. एंड those who are already gray may, some of them may turn into the black. Okay, along with other, along with that, another medicinal, great medicinal property of amla is that it is being used for curing the cough and cold. Okay, if some person is suffering from the problem of cough and cold, so they can have the relief by consuming, by the consumption of this amla. Because cough and cold beta hota hai due to the especially with the cold is the inside the body, जो को हमें कोल्ड की प्रॉब्लम जो सफ़र करते हैं, दिस इज़ ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ विटामिन सी. सो जो विटामिन सी बहुत कम खाते हैं, सो उनको बहुत जल्दी दे कैन easily suffer from cough and cold. But okay, so vitamin C, जिसको हम खट्टा बोलते हैं, the fruits, those provide vitamin C that are of great use because they help you to get rid of these um, दिस कफ एंड कोल्ड वेरी इजीली. ओके, ये नहीं कि जब कफ एंड कोल्ड हो गया उसके बाद यू जस्ट स्टार्ट ईटिंग दिस ऑल द फ्रूट्स विद विटामिन सी. नो, कफ एंड कोल्ड के दौरान विटामिन सी प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं खाते. कफ एंड कोल्ड ठीक होने के बाद यू कैन हैव these विटामिन सी consumption and you can have a great relief from cough and cold for a very long period of time. Okay, so this was Indian gooseberry and other name is that is amla. So these are the three great, four great medicinal plants that we talked about. The first was aloe vera, second was ashwagandha, third is chandan, and the fourth is amla. Chaliye, let's move to the next. That is, another plant is that is wild turmeric. So now we will talk about the wild turmeric. So what is that? Okay, wild turmeric, haldi, is a medicinal herb with special antibiotic and antiseptic properties. According to the Chinese, it is believed to prevent and cure cancer. Okay, so now we are talking about another very great medicinal plants, and this is one of the greatest medicinal plant in the world, that is known as wild turmeric or turmeric, और जिसको कि हम हिंदी में we call it as हल्दी. हल्दी has a great medicinal property than any other tree or the plant. जो हल्दी है वो सबसे, उसकी बहुत ही great medicinal property है बाकी plants के comparatively. How? Because this haldi is has a special antibiotic and antiseptic properties. Okay, so this haldi has a great antiseptic and antibiotic properties. Okay, so like अगर suppose someone is having some kind of cuts और किसी की बॉडी पे किसी भी तरह का कट लग गया है, चोट लग गया है, सो व्हाट वी यूज टू डू, योर मदर्स मस्ट बी हैव, मतलब कहीं चोट लग जाती है, कट लग जाता है, तो मम्मी क्या करती है, सीधे वो थोड़ा सा तेल में हल्दी डाल के उसको करके एंड दे जस्ट अप्लाई इट ऑन योर कट. सो उससे क्या होता है, यू विल गेट द रिलीफ, you will get a relief very soon as compared to the other medicines. Along with that, कि suppose कई बार क्या होता है, we sometimes we fall and we have a blood clots. Okay, तो कभी कहीं गिर गए या वैसे ही किसी को कभी blood clots आ जाते हैं, okay, in certain part of your bodies. So what mothers do? So our mothers, they just again वो थोड़ा तेल में they just cook the haldi and then keep it in your on that part. Okay, so this is turmeric. Okay, along with that you must know, आपने देखा होगा कि सपोज कभी आप गिर जाते हो, चोट लग जाते हो, उसके बाद मम्मी देती है हल्दी वाला दूध. तो हल्दी वाला दूध आई थिंक सबने पिया होगा. जब भी कभी गिरते हो, चोट लग जाती है या कहीं पेन होता है बॉडी में, तो मदर यूज टू गिव as this हल्दी वाला दूध. बिकॉज दिस हल्दी वाला जो ये हल्दी जो टर्मरिक जो मिल्क हम पीते हैं, ओके, सो इट हैज़ अ ग्रेट एंटीसेप्टिक एंड हीलिंग प्रॉपर्टी. एंटीसेप्टिक एंड एंटीबायोटिक प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती है, तो इट हैज़ अ ग्रेट हीलिंग प्रॉपर्टीज़. तो ये बहुत जल्दी आपकी जो बॉडी में जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, ओके, जो उसको हील करती है. हील करना मतलब जल्दी ठीक करती है. सो एज़ कम्पेयर टू द अदर मेडिसिन, दिस हल्दी हैज़ अ ग्रेट great antiseptic and antibiotic properties. Okay, so another thing that is being said about the haldi is, according to the Chinese, it is believed to prevent and the cure cancer. Okay, and the Chinese है वो ये believe करते हैं कि this haldi has a great medicinal property. Okay, and it is believed that it can even prevent the cancer and cure. It can even प्रिवेंट एंड क्योर कैंसर. ओके, कहा जाता है कि ये कैंसर और जो कैंसर से क्योर करती है, बचाती है. ओके, सो मतलब ये बचा भी सकते हैं इफ़ यू हैव इंक्लूडेड दिस टर्मरिक, एज वी ऑलरेडी वी इंडियंस वी ऑलरेडी यूजिंग हल्दी इन आर डेली डाइट. ओके, सो इट कैन प्रिवेंट यू from the cancer, okay, from suffering from any kind of cancer and even curing cancer. So they, it is being believed by the Chinese, whether it's true or not that I don't know, but they believe that it helps you to prevent, तो आपको वो कैंसर होने से बचाती भी है. और कैंसर अगर if someone is suffering from a very first stage of the cancer, so that can be cured with this ayurvedic plant, that is turmeric. Next is the very important one, that is the cinnamon. Cinnamon is also one of the very important, and and that is commonly found in our country, and most of us we are already utilizing these cinnamon in our, we are already including this, we have already included actually this in our spice in our daily diet. That is the another name of the cinnamon is, that is dalchini. Okay, cinnamon को हम क्या बोलते हैं, दालचीनी. So cinnamon is a spice that we are all familiar with when it comes to desserts and the pastries, but it also believed to have medicinal properties. It is used to treat patients with the bronchitis and the asthma. Okay, so, then now coming with the next, that is the cinnamon. Cinnamon को हम क्या बोलते हैं, दालचीनी. We also term it as a दालचीनी. Okay, and we all are very familiar to it. Okay, हम सभी से काफ़ी familiar हैं, and this is one of the great spice that is being used in our daily diet, and we already use in our daily diet. Okay, and especially this cinnamon, इस cinnamon को हम ज़्यादातर इसमें use करते हैं for making the desserts and the pastries. Okay, so if you have having किसी भी तरह का डिज़र्ट, डिज़र्ट मीन्स कुछ भी मीठा आप खाते हो जो, लाइक आफ्टर द लंच और आफ्टर द मील, इफ़ यू हैव सम अदर कुछ मीठा खाते हैं, सो दैट इज़ नॉन ए डिज़र्ट. सो यू मस्ट, आपने अगर पेस्ट्रीज खाई होंगी तो बेटा उसमें भी जो दालचीनी का कुछ ना कुछ फ्लेवर आता है. सो स्पेशली दिस दालचीनी और दिस सिनेमन जस्ट ऐड अ ग्रेट फ्लेवर टू एनी ऑफ द डिज़र्ट कैन ऐड. ठीक है, तो उसमें इसका एक ग्रेट फ्लेवर होता है. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द मदर्स दे यूज़ दिस सिनेमन इन देयर डेली कुकिंग एज वेल. तो कई लोग स्पेशली कुछ सिनेमन को अपनी डेली कुकिंग में ऐड करते हैं. Okay, the another thing is, but it is also believed to have medicinal properties. So, other than being the providing, other than adding the flavors in the desserts and the pastries, okay, so it has also some other medicinal properties. जैसे कुछ medicinal properties भी हैं. It is used to treat patients and the bronchitis and the asthma. Okay, so this is cinnamon is also being used for curing the diseases, for curing the patients actually, those who are suffering from the asthmatic and the bronchitis problem. तो जो लोग asthmatic problem से, so they have kind of allergy, okay, from breathing, they can't breathe in the dust and the dirt. Okay, so this also, cinnamon also provides a cure for the patients, those who are suffering with bronchitis and asthma. Okay, so these are the various medicinal plants that we have discussed in this conversation. So next is this quick quiz is here. Okay, of the four systems of medicine, Ayurveda, Allopathy, Unani, and Siddha, which system was entirely dependent on the medicinal properties of plants? तो इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा प्लांट है जो है कि पूरी तरह से जो प्लांट्स के ऊपर पूरी तरह से डिपेंडेंट नहीं है, ऐसा कौन सा है? तो दैट इज़ एलोपैथी. तो एलोपैथी जो पूरी तरह से प्लांट्स के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट नहीं है, रीज़न इज़ क्योंकि उसमें बहुत सारे सॉल्ट्स यूज़ होते हैं. आपने देखा होगा जो मेडिसिन की टैबलेट की जो होती है, जो ऊपर होता है उसके ऊपर कुछ ना कुछ सॉल्ट्स लिखे होते हैं, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑल दिस. तो ये सब सॉल्ट्स होते हैं, तो ये पूरी तरह से प्लांट्स के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट नहीं है. Second is the plants are given and the remedies for which they are being used, इसलिए वो use होता है. Let's move to it. So first is the Bhringraj. So Bhringraj is used for curing hair loss. That is option number 3. Second is Amla. So Amla is used for curing the problems that are related to the scurvy. The scurvy problems related wo that is being used. Next is tulsi. We all are having in our houses. So tulsi is used for curing the problems that are related to cough and cold. Fourth is isabgol. So isabgol is being used for curing the problems that is related to the constipation. Constipation related problems. Say that is option number five. Next is neem. So neem is used for curing the problems that are related to the skin. So skin से कोई भी problem जुड़ी होती है that can be cured with this neem. So neem has a great medicinal property for the skin disease especially. Last is clove. Clove is लौंग. लौंग हम बोलते हैं. So लौंग किस लिए यूज़ होती है? For treating the problems that are related to toothache. तो किसी को toothache है तो वो वहाँ पे लौंग दबा के रखेगा अपने दांत के नीचे, so it will get a relief. They will get a relief from the toothache. Okay, so this was our today's session class. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.